Let's make some no-bake fudgy brownies. First, mix the crushed graham and cocoa powder together. Now pour in the melted butter and stir until the texture feels like sand. Next, add the sweetened condensed milk. Mix, mix, mix. Keep stirring until it turns like soft and like clay. Now press the mixture into a container to shape it. For extra yummies, pour some melted chocolate on top. Pop it in the fridge for an hour or leave it overnight. And just like that, you have a super easy no-bake brownies.